Hi traders, let's talk what profitable trading consists of. Many traders, especially those who have less than a year of trading experience, are sure that profitable trading is the ability to close every single trade in a profit. That's not truth. And what if I told you that many professional traders have a percentage of lost trades up to 50%? Then you ask how they stay afloat. The answer is three main reasons. Following the trading system, that is, in this case, systematic stops according to the strategy, emotional control and the ability to stop trading in time without falling into emotional tilt, and finally, flexibility, the ability not to dwell on one strategy that has ceased to work well at the current stage of the market. Or, in other words, the ability to see relevance of another strategy that has appeared. For example, you see that your breakouts go bad, give it up for some time, decrease working volumes, and switch to another strategy, pipsing, pullbacks, positional trading, and so on. It goes well, okay, increase volumes to your standard ones. You will not be able to close every trade with a profit. It's impossible. There are always unprofitable days, weeks, or even months. The trader's task is to select trades so carefully that the profit from one or several trades will become a kind of financial pillow that, even taking into account subsequent losses, you will not completely lose the profit. And here we again run into risk management, which essentially boils down to three main aspects. The right choice of safe leverage for a particular strategy, setting stop losses, right stop losses, and limiting losses per day. By following the three main principles of profitable trading, you will remain in profit even if 50% of your trades are closed by the stop loss. After all, if it's a correct system stop, it's always safe, and the potential profit with a correctly calculated trade will probably compensate from 2 to 5 system stop losses. Do not forget to write in the comments about the topics you want to see in the next videos. Wish you good profit. The video was prepared by the CSCALP trading terminal team.